In this video, I will be designing and building an app in Lovable from scratch, from there looking for the idea, then designing in Figma, then actually launching it live. And in the description, you'll be able to see whatever I build. I have no idea for now. So the first thing I will do is go to ChatGPT and just ask, what are some ideas I can build for my easy app. And here's my interests. So I would like to build something that I'm interested in. So I'm just gonna list like web design, health. Just gonna list those ideas here. So I said like business, money, UI, UX design, freelance work, no code tools, digital nomad lifestyle, travel, productivity, journaling, language learning, reading, stuff like that. And I'm just gonna make sure that it's a GPT-0.1, and then I just run it and see the result. Minimal daily health tracker, freelance project organizer, Asia travel, curator for digital productivity focused reading journal. UI UX redesign inspiration gallery, a web gallery that showcases before and after redesign of web design and apps. I like this idea, so let me actually go ahead and try look for some inspiration, basically design wise, because I want to give it just a design direction. For that, I usually go to website which is called UI.8, and I will just select Figma resources here, and it will have a lot of resources. They're not sponsored. I don't even buy here. I just look for the resources that I like and then just take screenshots, do something similar, don't have to necessarily buy. And now I will just basically choose the web, since we're building a web app, and see some inspiration for like kind of a dashboard look. Doesn't have to be specifically website, but I remember they had something share and discover top designs. So we can actually take something like this and then just build it out from that. So let me just take a screenshot of this. I will go to ChatGPT and say, give me a prompt. Give me a prompt that I can paste into no code AI tool builder soon, simple and fast. Or and now I can just give it a link for this and see what it gives me. So I'll create a simple web app called Redesign Gallery where users can view and submit before and after images of a website, app, and redesign. Each category should include. Um, let's do it like this. Let's give it a screenshot of this. And actually, what I think, I don't really like these cards themselves because they're too different. So what we can do is go to curated.com design and take something similar from this. I like here card, how they look like way better. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of these and then just do like this. So how it's going to work, I assume, is that we have this design here. And then when you hover over your mouse, then the new design would appear. So by default, there would be like an old design. And when you hover, you can see the new design. I think that's not bad approach. So I'm just going to put it in here and then make a screenshot of this. And then upload it to ChatGPT to basically give me a prompt for that. So what I want to see, let me just actually speak to it. What I want to see is having just a small headline, having top nav bar with few elements, especially websites, dashboard, and mobile apps. Also, I want to see headline description under that. And under description, I want to see 5 tags. So maybe like e-commerce, landing page, website, and SaaS, and maybe agency. And under that, I want to see list of grid of 4 cards or 3 cards, and each grid has to have a picture of a website, and when you hover you would see redesigned version. Also, each picture should have a name, description, and a small image of the person who created the redesign. So let's send that image to them and see what I got. For the image, I like this, how Landbook does it. So they have this small image of the person, and also they have this description, kind of one-liner description that I like. So we can definitely try to do something similar for that. And let's just create a simple web app gallery. So now we'll go to Lovable and copy everything that it created. And now we just can paste it in here. And let's see what it does. Maybe we do a screenshot of this so it has a better understanding of what we're looking for. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it straight into Lovable and see the result. They created this option. Let's start from the nav bar. And the first thing is to change the nav bar to be something similar to what they have here. So let's turn back the white version since it did not do the dark version as we wanted. So now we'll just use this as an example for navbar. Let's make the background of the navbar a little bit different. So I'm going to make it white. I said let's remove the filters. Let's give the website a more interesting name. So let's name website and change logo. It's just a domain that I have available, so I'm gonna name it like this. I actually think for the cars themselves, we can do something similar like they have in here. So what I'm going to do is try to combine what they have here with what the Mobbin has. So far, so good. Let's add a pop-up that users will be able to actually upload their design. So I'm going to say, create a pop-up when they click on submit design. Also, we actually need to connect it to Superbase to be able to save that data, but I think we can do that as a next step. Next, let's connect it to Superbase. Click connect and then create a new project. So that's what I'm going to do. Now let's create like design, redesign. Let's add some password and I think we would be ready to go. Okay, so we can click connect here, connect, and it will probably hopefully do a lot of work instead of us. So please connect my Superbase product design redesign. So I guess he's going to do that. We won't have any user log in, but we need actual data for cars. So name, picture, before, after, edits, create all of that. So that when they click submit design and fill the form, it will be saved to database. So let's just send it and see if it's actually able to do that. I have a few redesigns that I did before, so I can just use them as a screenshot for testing measurements. So let's just take a screenshot of these, of the before, and now I can basically, it seems like it's created, so let's try doing that. So let's name Condor Money Victor. Okay. And now let's skip this one. Okay, it's not uploading for some reasons. Not sure what's that, but maybe we need to publish this actually. Okay, click apply changes first, and then I can fix that. So let's actually try to add a new element to a website and see how it looks like. So while it's opening, let me go ahead and try to make another screenshot. I'm not sure totally the resolutions, but let's click on the add the design here. Now I can just name it landing page under. Let's fill my name, and before screenshot, we can now upload finally. I think that's because I connected it to CMS. So let's upload it here. And now we can upload the screenshot after. Let's take a screenshot of this. And let's paste it. And let's submit the design. It's submitting. Thank you for submitting your design. And here it is, the design. The link will be down in the description. If you go there, you can submit your design and I will publish only the best. So choose best designs and publish them, and I will upload your design.